Hello everyone, Justin here, and I just wanted to show you a quick video on how you can draw or letter on stained wood. And in this particular situation, I'm using a Power Crafter. It's a pneumatic powered high RPM tool with interchangeable tips, and I generally use tips that have a round tip to it. Makes it easy to go in any direction, and there are different sizes. So you can also, if this isn't available for you, just go to Home Depot or Lowe's or whatever and use your typical Dremel. And again, tips are available with round tips, again, to make it easy to go in different directions. So the whole idea is that you get the wood prepped, stain it, and underneath the stained areas is the wood that's still light colored. So here it is. I'm basically just scraping off the stained part, the very top layer of the wood, using the tool. I start with the thin lines, and for the thicker lines, like for this particular calligraphic lettering, I just go over it again until I get the design that I want. So that's really it. Take your time with this, and then the only thing needed left to do is to finish the project with a clear coat, urethane or whatever, and you're done. So thanks a lot for watching, and I hope you found this tip useful and get to try it at some point. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.